Alright, good morning everyone. Welcome back to the stream. I was looking at GBPJPY here above this level 161,900. That breakdown was also given on the Discord group, but we are moving here today. Sheesh. What's up, Jared? What's up, Mahedi? Okay, so we've got resistance right here on GJ. We've broken above this resistance. We'll most likely close above here. And then I'm still anticipating price to continue moving up to fill this range. So targets 164,330. Now, since we've already pushed quite deep into this range, we just have to adapt and be a little bit more patient. Maybe wait for this candle to well, I'm obviously going to wait for this candle to close, but I need to see some sort of pullback here. I can't be getting involved in a move basically after it's happened. Yeah, no, lots of volume here. Hey, what's up, Siku? How are you? Okay, so like I say, I need to see some sort of pullback here. If this hourly candle could pull back down and leave a wick to fill, that'll be perfect. At this point in time, it looks like we might just continue to drive up here. So very tricky, but you gotta be patient. If the move isn't there, if there's no entry, then you can't force anything. I was just zooming out to the higher time frames here on GJ. I did cover this in the breakdown on the Discord group. So we had this very impulsive move to the downside here. This was massive. I mean, within 2 weeks, we moved 1,500 pips. But we've come and tapped into this key level right here at about 150, 149. Okay, and you can see we've had massive rejections off of here. Last week's candle closed bullish, basically back into the range here. So we're looking for price to now fill this range, move back up to resistance. And then also based off your monthly, not a very strong bullish candle, but look at the wick rejections to the downside. So I'd say more bullish than anything, and still looking for GJ to continue moving up to 174. That's been our target for a while. As we've been moving up here, we're sitting in this range. I've been saying if we break out of this range, we're looking to target 174. So that could possibly happen this month. Also just be aware, it's the first trading day of the month. Also a brand new quarter, fourth quarter. So we'll just have to see how things are going here. But we've already got quite a lot of volume, so we'll just see how it goes. What's up, Moto? Alright, so higher time frame here on gold. This is the breakdown given on the Discord group. Your monthly candle has finally closed below 1700. This key support area. We sat above that level for a number of months, basically since the middle of 2020. We've been trading above 1700. So we finally got a monthly candle closing below that area, and looking to the left, you've got clean traffic moving down to 1577. So first targets are to fill the wick here, looking to target this daily support, and then final targets 1577. Now for the time being, you can see we are having some pullback here, and I was looking at this area, looking at that previous daily candle. You know, it looks like we have formed resistance here potentially. So I don't know what this looks like on the lower time frame, but a break of that previous daily low, and I'll be looking for price to start moving down here. So the reason I'm putting my support down here instead of right over here is, remember, I'm looking for the cleanest possible ranges. So right here below the support, you know, you've got maybe 10 pips to the next level of support here. It's a bit of a tricky area. So if we can rather get a closure below 1658, there you've got nice clean traffic down into 1648, let's say. $16.49. What's up, Gamerzone? What's up, Luke? GJ 1 hour closed. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's tough. It's very tough. We've closed in the middle of this range now. The issue is with this, guys, where do you put your stop loss? Okay. Logically, stop loss needs to be below structure. It's massive. If you can get a pullback and retest this resistance on a lower time frame, there are definitely potential entries here. But we need to just wait for that to happen. Right now, price is in the middle of the range. Alright, I'm not going to be taking buys from these price points. Okay, let's just finish this breakdown real quick. In the breakdown on Discord, I said I'm not really interested in buys until we break above 1686. Reason being is, okay, overall we are bullish here. Now our price is just in this range at the moment. Friday's candle, like I say, looks more of like a rejection candle. We close respecting this resistance area, and I would much rather be seeing sells here today. But if we do break above 1686, above there, we're starting to break structure. We could pull back a little bit further and retest 1700. I think that makes a lot of sense. Other than that, I'm not really interested in buys. Your new daily candle also has no bottom wick, so I'm just going to be keeping an eye out for this candle to flip bearish and then start looking for those sells below 1658. What's up, Jared?
Yes, bro, you've been scared out of me, eh?
Sorry, man.
No straight. Hopefully you can me a bit better.
Oh shit, here we go again, Jared.
Really?
Yeah.
I mean, no man. Okay, then it won't be my Wi-Fi.
Let me go out of Discord and back in. And you too, I think.
That as well.
Okay, guys, so you know what we're looking for. Now we just have to wait. Gold is just in a range at the moment. Even if you were wanting to take buys, I would much rather wait for a breakout of this range. Just because you close bullish here on this hourly candle doesn't mean too much. There's resistance right over here. Yeah, no. Whatever I do today, I'll just make sure that I leave this range alone. Okay, Jared, let's see, is this better?
Okay, yeah, see if this is better now.
Sounds better.
Okay, shit. I dropped the gate on my mic, so hopefully that helps a little bit.
The gate?
Yeah.
What the hell is that?
It's basically where it doesn't pick up sounds under a certain decibel. So, for instance, when you're
Okay.
speaking and you speak really soft, it won't pick you up, but then you have to go over a certain volume for it to be like, okay, we're gonna let this through.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, so hopefully that helps. Just let me know if it still doesn't, then ish.
Okay, cool.
Then I'm retiring from the Forex.
Retiring from the Forex. Ah,
Uh,
shame. What's up, Wayne? What's up, Sonda? For now, yeah, on GJ, I would like to see some sort of retest. It's quite tough, like I was saying. We're sitting in the middle of this range. So, very tough here. Maybe as we break this high, you could be... What? Current candle stops 70 pips. Nah. Let's just wait for this thing. Let's wait for London Open. What time frame do I get my key levels on? Okay, so there's key levels on different time frames, and they'll be at different price points as well. So you need to have a look at different time frames. You know, maybe when I started the stream and I was doing analysis, I was looking at this as my level. But then on further examination on the hourly time frame, I saw that, okay, there's a support right here, and below this support here, we've got nice clean traffic, we've got a nice clean range. Okay, so hourly, the levels you see on my chart will always be from the hourly or 30-minute, sometimes from the 15-minute. That depends on the scenario. For instance, like right here, you've got these wicks, okay, but on a 15-minute, you know, maybe your support's down here. No, sorry, this is a 15-minute. Okay, but we could zoom into a 5-minute and see the same sort of idea. So for instance there, that 5-minute support is right there. Now, I might use the 15-minute once in a while. Like I say, completely depends on the scenario. Gold is buy. My friend, you better put a question mark there.
Just to follow up on Zander's question, there isn't really one time frame that's going to give you the best key levels. It all depends on what time frame you're comfortable to trade. But always go through the different time frames from highest to lowest, and just see, you know, where we're currently trading.
And also just keep in mind, one thing to always remember is the higher time frames are always going to paint a better picture. Listen to the higher time frame. If your daily has closed below support, let's say, but maybe the hourly looks bullish, just know you should rather maybe wait for a resistance to form on the hourly, or maybe a support to be broken. Listen to the higher time frames. Like for today, okay, I know this doesn't relate to key levels, but it does. Your key levels on the higher time frame are going to be a lot more important than on a lower time frame. So that's why I much rather use an hourly and 30-minute for my levels rather than a 15-minute.
Yeah, I totally agree with that. I think 15 minutes, you could argue it's better for entry, because sometimes you can get a little bit higher up, but then you're going to need a decent closure, either below or above, or just stay away from ranges, a breakout, closure above. Then you could use a 15-minute for entry, in my opinion. But using a 4-hour for entry is difficult. You've got a lot of noise on the smaller time frames. It's going to be challenging to ignore.
Gold bullish 4 hour. Previous 4 hour here closed bearish. So what if we respect the previous 4 hour high and this candle comes and flips bearish?
Jeez, but the market's choppy this morning, eh?
Yeah, I think it's must be the new quarter, first trading day of the month. Might be slow today.
Do you have anything on fundamentals today?
Good question, Jared.
All night.
Got a Euro bank holiday, German bank holiday. Had some JPY news this morning. Nothing until this afternoon for the dollar.
But it's only manufacturing PMI. And it's
Yeah.
at 4, so it shouldn't have too much of an impact on New York Open. It's slow day.
NFP on Friday. First Friday of the month. So it's an NFP week. I think this whole week will be choppy. We'll see how it goes.
Yeah.
Guys, I'm gonna go make some coffee quick. Plenty of time here. Very choppy at the moment. Goldman. I'm assuming that you're talking about this move up and this move up right here. And that's why you're saying gold is bullish, possibly expecting another move up right here. Now that could happen. Alright. But I'm just looking at the higher time frames here. Like I said, the daily, I don't like that the daily closed respecting the, okay, I do like it for sells, but for buys, no. We've closed respecting this resistance. We've got a nice wick rejection there, and your new daily candle has no bottom wick. So I'm expecting this daily candle to come back down, create this bottom wick, and at that point you might see us continue to drive down here with the higher time frame trend. So keep in mind what's going on here on gold overall. We are in a downtrend. Of course we could see some further pullback, but you need to be selective with your trades when we are going through these phases. Okay, this range for me is just a no-go. Once we break out of this range to the upside, 1686, once we break above that level, we've got clean okay, not on the hourly. Let's see, 4 hourly, you could say that we've got clean traffic, and I think it just makes sense for price to retest 1700. It's a very key area. Looking at the weekly and monthly, that's basically your support area, 1700. And I think it would make sense for your new monthly candle to have a wick tapping that area. Just get a nice retest of that previous support before we continue to move down. But like I say, you need to be selective with these trades.
Yeah, I honestly have the same bias as you that, yes, these gold buys right now are just tricky because we've got all that resistance, you know, all the way from 1685, 86. So I'd definitely also wait for buys above there. Because yeah, it's it's just a disaster in that range, eh? From
Yeah.
56 to 86 is just absolutely ugly, eh?
Okay, you've got resistance right here at 1672, 1673, let's say. Now, if you're looking for bars above that level, just look to your left. Okay, you've got more resistance right here, right here, right here, right here, and of course at 1686. So you've got to fight through all of those levels while you're taking bars. I don't want to fight with the market. I don't know about you guys. I'd rather just ride the wave.
Jeez, yeah, if you trying to get in gold buys at those resistances, you looking to go 3 rounds with Francis and Garnier. Yeah.
Obviously, the trade could play out. You know, it's probabilities. Just saying the probability of gold bars playing out within this range. You know, you're not keeping the probabilities in your favor. What's up, Steph?
And also, we're in a very low volume time where we just started Q4. It's the first trading day of the month, and there's not much happening fundamentally. It's going to be very difficult to get clean breaks from so many resistance points.
Yeah, you can already see the lack of volume here in gold today. So when price is consolidating, guys, just stay out of it. Wait for a break out of this range. Price is moving sideways. There's no direction here.
think if you are over eager on buys, it's probably just because you've seen so much downside that in your mind you're thinking, okay, no, we have to start moving up now to retest 1700. We are going to retest 1700, and then you're looking at that like 400 pip range all the way up to 1700, but you're not taking into account we're in consolidation, it's low volume. We could easily just move this whole week through that consolidation point and never get to 1700. So we're going to need something clean of break of resistance, closures, retests, that type of thing before being comfortable in those bars. Because, like Connor said, we're still in a very higher time frame downtrend. So it's very tough to just say, I'm going to buy now. Because if you got into a buy literally on this candle, thinking it's going to break through, you'd already be in roughly 30 pips drawdown. Oh, chat 69 is back, eh?
Yeah, see, I'm
Yes.
trying to get rid of it.
I'm also reporting it. Jeez, did you see my Instagram stories there? I just get viewed by these bots. I think there's 6 of them that viewed my story last night. Yeah.
Dude, I'm also seeing a lot.
Yes. I wonder who actually falls for them. Yeah.
Oh no, there are people who fall for them. Definitely. I don't know how. I really don't know how.
No.
Like in this day and age, I would really expect people to not be falling for this kind of stuff.
Yeah. And that, kids, is how I met your mother. Love chat 69.
Love chat 69.
Yeah.
Has anyone in chat ever replied to someone on Instagram saying they'll turn your $200 into 20,000?
I personally haven't.
What did you do when you got your 20,000? That's what I want to know. The thing is, if you don't know about trading, I think it's easy to fall for these scams. Like, if you're in trading and you know what it's about, you know that there's no guaranteed profit.
So I wanted to say something so dumb, but I was like, no, leave it rather not. No. But the amount of South Africans that are doing these scams kills me. Yo.
The amount of South Africans who are getting scammed.
Yes. No, dude, but I think the Forex scam capital of the world is definitely South Africa.
Nah, I agree.
Yeah.
It must be.
Even
Must be.
once I was watching a Roger Banks stream, and then he's like, if somebody says they're from South Africa, I stop reading the question.
Fuck. I'm sure they were talking about Ref Wayne the other day. Someone spoke about Ref Wayne. Oh, it was Controller.
Yes. I think Controller actually took Ref Wayne's course.
Yes, that's what I heard. That's what I heard.
Yeah.
Nice, Wayne. Good luck, bro. Don't put in your first trade just yet. Things are pretty choppy. I've never really like looked into Refrain, but he seems like a nice guy.
Yeah,
He doesn't really seem like as scammy as a lot of South African traders do.
I don't know. I never really got into the whole scene of following traders. The couple traders I followed was Roger, Controller, Pod Capital Group, and there was this oak. I don't know if he's still around, but Transparent Forex. I used to like his analysis.
Oh, Transparent Forex. Yeah, I remember that
Uh,
guy. He still pops up on my YouTube ads.
But with him, Roger basically killed him because he was like, he's always posting that his students are doing so well, never posted losing trades, has never showed any history or whatsoever, never even shows he takes live trades. So
Yeah.
I was like, jeez, I don't know, I haven't really looked that deep into it. But
Well, I used to watch. I don't know if you know Rocks FX on YouTube.
yes,
Yeah, I watched that kind of stuff a lot, and I enjoyed the way he explained things. He really made it simple. You know, I tried his strategies, and it's all price action really. A lot of like break and retest kind of stuff. And then I saw the other day Roger and Capital Hungry were ripping into Rocks on Twitter because he's actually never posted a live trade or anything. It's just Trading View.
Yeah. Is he still around there? Is he still
Rocks?
active? Or... Yeah.
I'm sure he is.
Uh,
Yeah, no, I unfollowed basically all the traders that I used to follow. I still follow like Raja,
Triple F trader.
Triple F trader. But you know, when you're watching everyone else and what everyone else is doing, it messes with your head. It really does. When you're in the early stages of trading and you're seeing everybody else making thousands and thousands of dollars in a day, you know, that you want to rush at that point. You want to be like that person. So you start forcing things and you're just going to find yourself going in circles. So cut out all the noise, forget all the different strategies, forget what everyone else is doing, just find something that works for you and stick to it and chip away. You have to be consistent. It's not going to be 1 or 2 trades that make you filthy rich. It's going to be 1 or 2,000 trades.
No, yes. No, it takes time, eh? You know, this is honestly the one thing where the less you do, the better. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And that used to mess with my mind. I remember when I first got into trading, I used to flip and look at a chart for hours and go like candle by candle and, you know, write out these long ass essays about what it's going to do here and what it's going to do there. And then I just realized, like, shit, man, this is actually the incorrect way of doing it. You know, it's as simple as, you know, waiting for key levels, waiting for closures, you know, taking good probability trades with decent risk to rewards, and just being patient with them, you know.
Yeah.
And not having that like overcomplicated thing. Because remember, also something that used to mess with me a lot, sometimes I still do struggle with here and there, is if something's incredibly bullish, I always want to catch the pullback.
Oh.
Always not really the best way of doing it, you know what I mean? Even though sometimes you can get flipping amazing trades from it, but you just end up taking, you know, 2-3 losses that you probably shouldn't have. You probably should have just waited, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Yeah, with those kind of trades, I still take them too, but I'm very, very like selective with it. I need to see everything lining up, and then it's still most times not like an amazing trade. I'll maybe grab like 20 pips if I'm lucky.
Somebody says GJ coming down, can buy at your level.
Nah.
I think he means can we buy at your level.
Well, we've got 27 minutes until London opens, so let's see what happens here. Right now we are pulling back from this move up earlier this morning. Like I say, let's see if we can retest this resistance and then maybe form support here on a 15 or 30 minute, and then we'll look to continue to move up. I see Stev's also doing a 100k challenge. Good luck, Stev. Thanks, Luke. Sold 1666, swinging to 1646. I like that. You know, like I say, price is in a range here on gold. I would rather stay out, but if anything, I would stick to the sells just based off the daily. Sorry. Ew. Allergies.
Jeez, dude. Chat 69 is flipping going ham this morning.
Yeah, they're going hard.
Yeah. I'd use it from channel.
I need to get a bot that promotes the channel, goes on other traders' streams.
I said, what was it last week Thursday? We should thank you to Connor Abrams. I took my $500 to $1 million.
No. Because actual traders will then just think it's a scam.
No, but we don't need actual traders. We just need people that invest. You know, we need investors. That's what we need.
We need investors. Nah, I don't want to be trading anyone else's money.
No, I'm just joking. Yes, dude. Yeah, but dude, yes, you must go check on every Forex post ever on like YouTube or Instagram or even Twitter. You just check as soon as you go to the comments. Mr. Xinjiang has taken my
Always.
investment to 600 this month. I'm so happy. Thank you. Please contact him on WhatsApp.
I made an ad on Facebook a while ago, and I don't use Facebook a lot, so I didn't know what to expect.
Yeah.
And then I just left it. I came back maybe like the next day, and I checked like 60 comments. I'm like, what is going on? Just bots. Just bots.
Or Mark needs to get his things together.
Yeah, come on, Mark. Zuck.
Nico, are you there?
What's up?
What's up?
Yeah, how are you?
I'm fine, yourself?
Good.
Thanks, my side. What are you having a look at this morning?
A screen TV, because clearly there's nothing going on in the fucking markets.
Couldn't have put it any better.
Yep.
At this point, I'm gonna overfeed my fucking fishes, let me tell you.
No.
Dude, soon your fishes are gonna be on my 600-pound life,
But
But it,
they're cutting it close, I won't lie.
yeah.
That'll be now.
On a perma bulk.
If we ever see Nico's fishes, we're gonna be like, why does he have a bulldog in his fish tank?
Yesterday.
Yeah.
See, this is exactly what we needed. We needed price to come back down here to give us some sort of opportunity to get involved in this move up. So now as price pulls down, Looks like this hourly candle may close bearish. We've got 20 minutes. Anything could happen. But let's see on the 30 minute. If we could pull back a little bit deeper and get a 30-minute bullish candle closure off of support here, we could then be looking for buys back up to 164. Keep wanting to say 1640. Oh, gold on my mind.
Sure, maybe yes. Jeez, and I see gold in the 15 came all the way back down without a top wick, eh?
She's, yeah. Candle just opened up and drove straight down.
She's just annihilated pre-London buying volume, eh?
I'm gonna come now.
No stress.
Steve, I only saw your message now about the extension. I think you need 6% to get an extension. So if you're on 6% or more, at the end of the month, they'll give you a free extension. 6% is very doable. Very doable.
If you don't get 6% but you're still profitable, can you buy an extension?
Yeah, you just have to pay again.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not like a regular company. If you mess up, you get fired, you can't go back. It's simple as just paying again for the challenge. But that's how they make their money.
Yeah.
4 hour here is just about flipped, or nearly flipped bearish. So it looks like we will come down and create that bottom wick for the daily. We just need to be patient here. Wait for price to break into some of these cleaner ranges. Risking 1% per trade, that should be fine.
I could even see if your goal is 8% a month on these trading challenges, even risking 0.5% should be more than enough there.
Yeah, you
What do
can
think?
do 8% risking half. You definitely can. In fact, you would probably trade better risking 0.5%. So maybe start out with risking 50%. Sorry, 0.5%. Because it is a lot of money to work with. You know, maybe when you start to see the numbers moving so quickly, you freeze up, and you don't want to be letting the emotions get the better of you. So risk a little bit less to start off, just to get used to the numbers.
Is there a maximum number of trades you can take a day?
Oh no. Take as
long
many.
you don't go,
Yeah. You can
as long
basically
as you don't go.
trade however you want. There are some rules with like EAs, and arbitrage. I don't know if you've ever heard of arbitrage trading. Basically, like taking advantage of the delays in the trading system. I'm not too sure, but that's banned. So there are a few things you're not allowed to do. But if you're a manual trader and you're trading like this, you know you can pretty much do what you want.
Yeah.
Obviously, staying within the risk parameters.
What are the risk parameters?
For the day, you've got 5% drawdown.
Yeah.
From your starting balance, and then your overall drawdown is 12% on my Forex funds. So if you get
if you go over 12%, you lose the account.
yeah.
You have to restart. Okay.
So if you're on 100k, your max cutoff is 88,000. If you get down there, the account's gone.
And then even if you, let's just say for example now, I pass the challenge after however many days, whatever, go live, then is it still the same where you can't go below a certain point, the 12%?
Pardon, Jared?
Can you lose the live account if you go below a certain point as well?
Yeah.
Yeah, you
But
can. If you go below the 12%, you'll lose the account.
Okay, so that
Or
applies
it's-
not just to the
But Jared,
challenge.
the thing is, remember, yes, it's overall, but remember, Jared, if you up, let's say 20%, then you can lose technically 32% across however many days, if that makes sense.
Okay, so it's not, so if I get to, let's just say 150 and then I
You-
lose
You have to
12%.
lose 5%. No, 5% every day. So
Okay.
if you keep losing 5%, well, 4.99% every single fucking day till you on balance break even account again, 100k, then your 12% starts where you can lose 5% again, percent again, 2%.
Okay, I understand.
So if you're up, you have you can risk 5% every day for your account back to 200k.
Okay, and then the 5% is on your opening balance every single day. So even if
Yeah.
you're on,
Yes, well, they
150,
might be
you can't just
changing.
pull it.
They might be changing it, but yes, it's opening balance every day. So if you're up 10% for the day, you can go balls to the wall if that's what you choose to do, and you can go risk that full 10% to make however what you want. So,
I see what you mean.
but they might be changing that now.
Am I waiting for a retest of 161,900? I am, but I'm also waiting for London Open right now. For 9 o'clock.
Because that bitch is either gonna run straight back to a new R, or she's about to eat everyone's stop loss that bought her. So
Yeah.
yes, that's right, Steph. So for example, if you've made $1,000, okay, wait, let's use 100K. So if you're on 110K, it's 5% of the 110K on the next day. So if to not fuck, your times are different. So when market closes, next day starts, you can go on your dashboard from our Forex funds, like on the internet, and they will show you the amount you're allowed to lose for the day. Like they'll show you, like, if you haven't started yet, 99,500, whatever, or whatever, 95K, whatever. And then yeah.
Whatever. Yeah, I'm from South Africa.
It's not. It's from Limpopo, in South Africa.
From Namibia.
Sitting on the sand dune streaming. Just a green screen behind him. Don't worry.
That reminded me of that meme that went viral where this girlfriend asked her boyfriend, "What are we?" And he's like, "We are Zimbabweans."
What the fuck?
Yes, dude, it killed me, bro. Yo. Baby, what are we? We are Zimbabweans. Yes.
What? Oh, he's London. One down, boss.
Slummies.
Slummiers. Wait, wait. I fucked up when I spoke to Steph, so maybe you didn't understand. So Steph, if you up 5% for the day, you technically have 10% to lose. But if the new day starts, that 5% falls into your account, and then you basically have a new 5% based off the balance.
Yeah, if you were to make, let's say, 10% in a day, and you want to go ahead and risk that 10%, in theory you now have 15% to play with. But the thing is, if you up 10%, why give it away?
You're gonna give it away.
Because you
the
will.
moment you try to multiple, 100%. That thing is gone. Forget about it.
It's already good. What did you say there?
About?
What you just said, like right now, it's gone. You're gonna give it away.
Basically,
if
like
you up 10%, you go balls to the wall to make, like, because then you have 15% to risk for the day. If you up 10% for the day, you're gonna lose it. There's no way you're gonna up your lot. You're gonna go for it. You're gonna lose that 10% real quick.
Okay, I get you.
Exactly, Steph, bro. That's what people don't realize. Even me, bro. Sometimes I don't click that 10% is enough for. That's a lot. But greed is that's one thing I suffer from, is fucking greed. But it's not that bad anymore.
Yeah, that's true. Sometimes you get caught up in it, especially when you are up for the day. You know, you don't stop to think, like, okay, this is actually a shitload of money. I've just been sitting here at my laptop or my phone, and now I've made, my monthly salary in one day. Now you want more. Wow, don't be greedy. We all go through it. We all get stuck in that from time to time. I think there gets to a point where you do develop the discipline to stop doing that, but it's human nature. Greed is just built into us.
Con, I think what would be dope is if you explained on GJ what you'll be looking for. If obviously it does settle around that support. With the tag there, buys above 161,890.
Well, right now your 15-minute looks like it may close bullish here. I'm hesitant to take buys at London Open. Your hourly is closing bearish here. We are respecting this previous resistance, so that's good. I would rather see a bullish 30-minute candle closure. It's tricky. The range is also very big, like Steve said. I mean, this 30-minute candle is like 70 pips.
Jeez, yeah, dude, these moves that have been happening lately are ridiculous. Do you still have that thing for London Open on chat?
Oh yeah, I do.
What is it again?
Exclamation mark London Open. No spaces. There we go.
Okay, cool. I'm gonna check what I just put on chat.
Wow, so I think I should make something like that for the guys who come here and say bow so.
There's ones that instantly pop on and say, "Oh, buy or sell."
Bow so, sir. Oh goodness.
Should you be buying or selling? I'm only here for 3 minutes. Could you just tell me I want a winning trade?
It's tough.
I'm gonna pull someone's bird. That's all I see myself doing very soon.
Sorry, I'll go shut it up.
I'll go shut it up. But you know, how's he gonna keep it quiet? Old man, I think it was you that said you entered at 16 something, 162, I think, on GJ. That bar's doing real great right now, eh? 50 pips up. Yeah, you see that, Con? Goldman said he got in on 162. I think you muted if you're gonna talk, because I don't hear you at all.
Oh sorry. It's Goldman in bars or what?
He entered about 162 on the, like when it retested that level, he said he's going, "Ah, this chat with 69. Why are they so relentless today, bro?"
Phew. 3 times now.
Is it like no one else streaming or something?
Nah, these things are godly. They can be anywhere they want.
Is that better? Is the bird gone?
Hey, it's gone, yeah.
Okay.
Shot.
It wasn't even that loud, bro. I was just teasing you, to be honest.
Yeah, I know, but I'm so used to it by now, you know, I don't even hear it anymore. Are these birds outside know when I'm on mic and then they're like, okay, let's just shout there.
Wait, was a bird outside, bro? Not even your pet bird.
Oh, no, I don't have a pet bird.
Oh, okay, bro. Never mind. How could you have a pet bird making a noise?
I'm just grateful I don't have hardy dogs. Ew. They seriously make a noise.
Connor's family will be flying past soon, bro. Oh,
It's like,
Father's on ya, you might moor me.
what's up, Justin?
I'm just teasing. Oh, fuck. You see, I say the Hardy Dog's family, Justin's here. Do you see?
You see?
Fucking Ernie family is out and about. He came flying in here. Literally.
Yeah, I'd like to see us tap into this level one more time. So, London Open, we wait for a bottom wick. See what happens here. Your 15 minutes may close bullish, but I want to wait for a little bit more confirmation here. That would basically look like a double bottom here on the 5 minutes. Candles are about to close here. Gold still in the range. No trades. GJ. We've pulled back down. Tested this resistance, so there is potential for buys here. Just need to be extra careful. Okay, there we've closed. 15 closed bullish. There's our bottom wick. Gold moving down here, your 4 hours flip bearish.
Gold is extremely ugly because the 4 50-minute candles ago went down without a bottom wick. The previous closed without a top wick, and now this one doesn't have a top wick.
Yeah, it's very ugly.
Yeah.
This 15-minute candle is already 40 pips. 35 pips. What the fuck? Yeah, that 1 minute candle was like 35 pips. Still so much volume here on GJ.
Between the three of us, one of us must just put in the WhatsApp group because Carl said he climbed in the roof now. So we must just try to drop the message in the WhatsApp group as like if when we take a trade or obviously just before. But yeah.
Okay, cool.
No, whoever remembers to do it and whoever can do it the fastest must just go do it. I'll try. But,
Climbing a roof.
He's a plumber, so he's busy working at the moment.
See.
If you saw that drought on the 1 minute, we're starting to see that double bottom form now.
But I think we should send him a pending order. If we are going to take not just market execution. These markets is going to move way too quickly to market execute.
No, for sure, but that's what I mean, bro. Like, obviously, if we get in and it's too late, we tell him it was too late, we entered on market execution. But if there's a bar stop chilling, we tell him bar stop chilling. Bar stop gets cancelled, we just say got cancelled, deleted.
Okay, got you.
Obviously, if we can't help if we miss it, if he misses it, he misses it. But if we can, then no way.
Stops are just huge.
Yo, I'm gonna have load shedding now, bro. Fuck me, I forgot.
You're going to what?
I have load shedding now, bro. Fuck.
Oh, shucks. Yes, I think I have a 10.
I was in Koleche this weekend. We didn't have power for the whole day.
Jeez.
Whole of Saturday and Sunday morning. But what's weird is it came on. It came on for maybe 10 minutes and then it went back off.
Jeez, probably some of the lines or something got stolen then.
I think something blew.
You should have used your expert knowledge and gone and fixed it.
Jeez, no. This is tough.
Jeez, but gold and GJ are looking so similar this morning. If you just take this morning's movements,
You really want to see two identical charts, but there's only one different currency between them. GJ and GU. When I talk about identical, I mean identical, bro. Like, just go look at it. It's insane. I mean, I don't know why you would take a trade on both. It wouldn't make sense, but like, you know.
I get you.
I think we're going to see a lot of volume here as we break this previous candle high. The issue is stops are like 60 pips. But there we got exactly what I was looking for here. Okay, we've come and retested this level. We've got our bottom wick now for London Open. Looking good. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to have a buy stop on the break of the previous 15-minute high. But I'm going to go half risk. Okay, so stops here are huge. I don't like to have such big stops, but the structure is there. Everything we're looking for is there. So you just need to make sure that you calculate your position size correctly.
Anna, can you please read me the numbers because I can't see your screen anymore.
Don't stress, Nico, I'm doing it, yeah?
Okay.
162,520. Stops for me are going to be 161,890. Do I use any site to calculate my lot size? No, I know what lot size I need to use. Depending on my stop loss, I know exactly what I need to use.
I'll drop a calculator for lot sizes in the Discord.
Thanks, Jared.
As Jared making an appearance with his face on stream, saying that it's easier for Jared compared to me. Jared's got the setup ready and everything.
No, you wanna hop on Zoom, Jared?
Nah, I'm shirtless at the moment.
Yes! Nah, he doesn't have a camera angle big enough. Oh my goodness.
So yes. You must let me know in advance.
So you can get a pump first or what?
You need to put his microphone, bro.
No, dude. You don't need
Mic
to
up.
be a
200 push-ups
frost
before stream.
moustache.
No, but I was actually serious. You can put Jared on first before you put me on.
Is somebody asking for it?
No, me and Connor were just looking. I told Connor, like, it's difficult for me to want to do it because it's gonna be off my phone, not.
Oh shit.
Oh.
If we break lows, I'll delete
Yeah.
delete bar stops.
You must just remember to say that to Carl as well, okay?
Okay, yeah.
When we do it. Just- I just hope he didn't enter that, like, those things and just put his phone away and like, away, I can work now for the next hour or two. Like,
Imagine.
fuck. I did tell
Next
him
thing he
off.
just sees in 60 pips drawn out.
Yo.
Fuck, sorry, Carl.
As long as the message is there, like when we said before he got entered, bro, we have something to fall back on, so it's okay. But if we don't message him and it happens, we're kind of fucked.
Yeah, it looks like we may have to delete these bar stops.
Are we deleting?
Haven't broken the low just yet.
Yeah, I have load shedding, bro, so I can't see your stream anymore. It's pretty shit. It feels so weird to just like speak to you, but knowing what you're doing, you know?
Yeah. My break-even point is 162.860. That's your 30-minute resistance.
Jared, maybe just say then in the WhatsApp group, if it breaks the low again, we delete them from stuff.
Yeah.
I'm just busy with my hands, so I can't right now. Thank you.
Go.
Your 15-minute candle is about to close as well. No, you know what? We look good here.
Okay, I've put 2 calculators for lot sizes in the Discord community chat. So if you guys want to go work out what lot size you want to use, what I'd suggest is go off of a 10 pip, go off of a 20 pip, a 30 pip, and then just get a rough idea of where your lot size should be when taking positions. Because when you are taking positions, you know, stop loss isn't always the same. So if you use tight stops, use 10 pips, it's going to be a lot bigger than using a 30 pip stop. So just say, try just get an idea of, okay, am I going to use a 0.5, a 0.75, a 1 lot, a 2 lot, a 3 lot, and just get an idea off of 10 pips, 20 pips, and 30 pips on the different pairs you trade in.
Basically, yeah, that's what I started doing on with like the up my lots. Connor,
Yeah,
what Mark's making before, bro? What's going on?
my mark.
Yeah, bro. Plug it in, plug it back.
Can you hear me?
Yeah. You heard his
Yeah.
mark.
Better.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, I did.
Okay. What was I gonna say? Like for GJ now on the 100k, for example, you normally use a 5 lot on gold, and then a 5 lot on GJ moves different. Okay, but if you use a 7.5 lot, it's the equivalent to a 5 lot on gold. So, like 10 pips if you count 10 pips on the lot size move. So, that's what I started doing.
Yeah, so if you guys do struggle with lot size and so on, what I'd really suggest is just writing down like on a post-it note, you know, putting it where you trade on your laptop, whatever. And it's just a basic guideline to help you manage your risk a little bit better, so that you're not just throwing random lots at the market. You know, if it moves 7 pips, you close out because you don't want to lose a certain amount of money. Where in actual fact, if you had a 15 pip stop, you would have had a better chance of winning that trade.
Your 15-minute here closed bearish. I'm gonna wait here, guys. I'm gonna delete these bar stops.
Okay, I'm gonna put it on the grid.
At this point, if we just wait for a bullish 30 minutes, I think we have a much better probability of winning this trade. Could even have smaller stops as well. What's up, Damon?
I'm sitting outside Carl's house, phoning him, but man's fast asleep. And then,
Now
like,
or last night?
last night, as I got home, he like messaged me like, "Fuck, I fell asleep on the couch." I was like, "Nah, chilling."
Yeah,
Just bad timing.
long weekend. What?
Yeah, I don't know. Him had a weekend. When was it? Vrijdag. Yeah, Vrijdag.
Go to the aquarium.
Yeah, went to go look at seals and penguins and alcohol.
Alcohol. Jesus.
I went to all that fish. You know, me and Carl went out at 11 o'clock, bro, on Friday. What's the point of that?
Jeez.
Slummies?
Where did you
In the
go?
morning.
The fucking loft, that place above loft.
Oh.
Slamming, like through to below, then AA, then Monty's, but Monty's was closed. But we went, how do I say this? We were very thirsty, if you want to put it that way. So we made up for the 3 hours we weren't out. We can say that much very quickly. Very fucking.
Yes.
So, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
My excuse to Carl was, "Carl, Nico's coming out 2 weekends in a row." And you know what he says to me?
What?
He goes, "Yes, sis, and next weekend's my birthday. 3 weekends in a row, Nico, you're coming." It's like, oh, he's smart, that thing, man. You're obviously coming, right? Next weekend. Or this weekend.
For Carl's birthday.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
I think we should have it in Pretoria.
Yes. As long as you've got the Lambo ready for us, we'll be there.
Bro, I'm equal as bad. Trust me.
It's here. But
I
just come to,
don't
to
believe
make
I just said it. I don't fucking believe you, Jared.
That's why you should come to find out. Explore, you know?
Explore.
With your, what is that?
I remember
The
Steph
Lambo's
saying that the Lambo's in Scotland, bro.
Oh yeah, but he recently sent it to Pretoria, so it should be here by Thursday.
Oh,
So I
you
can't
guys
see
did a
photos
shit.
until you arrive, you know?
Oh, is that what's going on? I see you trying to be smart. Let me feed my food and you're gonna see how smart I'll become. Just give me 2 seconds.
Yeah, gold is choppy, just in a range. GJ, we are forming support here right now. A 5-minute closed above resistance here.
So gone when's Kay leaving? Oh, sorry.
2nd of November.
Yes, so that's like now. Shit.
Yeah, less than a month.
Guys, we're doing November.
No, fuck it.
No, we're doing sober October.
No, come on, man. You have to do November. With
Yeah, wait. Let me think of the. Fuck, I can still do it. Sober October. No, fuck you, Con. I've been doing fucking sober the whole year, so.
So now you're gonna drink during October.
Fuck, everyone's gonna be sober, and Nico's gonna be rowdy. Fucking see me on the dance floor.
Yes.
Fuck.
Yes.
I don't care. No, I'm teasing. No, I think this weekend coming, Carl's birthday, and then I probably won't go out till New Year's again. So.
Yeah. I don't even know about 37 anymore.
Bro, I'm gonna be honest with you. If you literally just fucking think with common sense, it will tell you not to fucking go. But hey, all to their own, bro. All to their own. 12 hours. 12 hours. From I can't speak to you on stream about stuff, but from 12 to no, that's not enough time. No.
Yeah, well, we can go out on Friday nights as well.
No.
No. Why not?
Audi. After my experience with Carl and them, I don't want to go out in PE. Not with. No. Okay, yes, it's a different group. It's a different group, so it's gonna be different. But still, if you have Carl there, Carl's something else, bro. So, and with Carl right there too, and those two Carls mixing, bro.
Oh, you had a bad experience though. Yeah, the OXO with a rowdy. Yo, no. That's too much, bro.
One day when we walk out, we're gonna speak about it in more detail, Connor, and then you're gonna find out how bad it was.
Nah, I heard.
Oh wait, then you know, bro. That's what I'm like. Going out in PEs. Yep.
Bad news.
Playing with your life there, my guy. Playing with your liver, your fucking kidneys, your heart, your everything there.
Just UX killed, yeah.
Hey, bro, listen. Come to PE, you might really fucking die.
Dude, I was saying to one of my mates on, I think it was Thursday, that just, I'm getting FOMO with UX, always talk about plans and stuff, and then I'm just here like, nah.
What do you mean, bro? I'll probably do less than you, Jared.
No,
swear to fuck, I'll do less than you. I just go to gym. You go to gym too, don't you?
Yeah. But
So?
you see, with 3 weekends in a row.
Yeah, but that's now. And before the third weekend's coming up, and before those 2 weekends, when was it? March, bro. When I went to that festival in March.
But you see, imagine having Triple F traded there. You guys will be with a celebrity.
Yeah, so I would have fucking drop kicked you off the balcony by then. Yeah.
Yes, dude. But I still had TikTok and stuff. I actually got recognized a couple of times. It was.
But when you come back, I heard that you're gonna be best mates with your old Tommy that's here. What's his name? Let me think. Mr. Brad Rowe. Oh, your best friends.
Yes, it was a hard week.
Connor, did you hear about Jared and Jared and Brad Rowe?
Hey, that
Connor?
was, he's not on stream at the moment.
It killed me so much, Jared, when I heard about it, dude.
That was a rough week. Yeah.
You know, you guys never got into it, you just argued, right?
Yeah.
You know, I've clapped him a few times.
Yeah, but we'll chat about that another time. Not on stream.
What are you guys going on about?
We're talking about Jared and Brad Rowe being best friends.
Oh shit.
You know the story, right?
Uh-uh.
Sorry,
Okay.
but we'll tell it later.
I won't tell him now. I'm just asking if he knows it. I'll tell you in person. I'll tell you. They're best friends, though. That's all I know, Connor.
Besties.
Yeah, besties.
What is 37?
37
It's
reasons.
That's a festival in Port Elizabeth. Fuck.
Just you can slip when you have your coffee, eh?
Justice. Bud.
Goldman's asking GJ close above, as you said.
I want to wait for the 30-minute candle to close here. There's 3 minutes. You know, lower time frame's looking good here, but 3 minutes. That 3 minutes could make all the difference, so let's just wait. If it drives, it drives.
Because as well, if we wait for the closure, then we could possibly get a better stop loss if it creates a nice bottom wick and then starts moving up.
Yeah, exactly.
So it doesn't really make sense taking a trade now. Pulls back, creates a bottom wick. It could be all the way back down, get taken out at stop loss, and then it starts driving. So it's just a waiting game right now.
Are you trading GJ now, Jared? Or still?
Nah, still only gold.
And are you planning to start or not?
Nah, still any gold.
Why don't you go back to GJ for like a bit, bro?
My hands are a bit full with gold there, I must admit.
Really? You don't feel like you can have these different opportunities on, like, especially with London session, because, I mean, that's not sense for London session.
So I'll be back in a second.
Yes, just fucking someone take my shirt off in Muros thing.
Yeah, structure looks great here. Everything looks good. See, if we can form a bottom wick and maybe just tap this support right here. So a new candle opens up, comes and taps this support. We can have previous candle stops. Sorry, current candle stops, which would be about 30 pips. Look at EJ. No, not right now. You can send a chart to the Discord.
What time frame are you looking on? Because I can't see your stuff.
30 minutes on GJ.
No.
So yeah, on the Discord there's a channel for community charts. You can send charts there for the live stream. There's also community chat, but I'd rather you guys send the charts here on community charts. Keep it all in one place.
Yeah, if you want Connor to look at it, then just send it there. Candle's gonna close bullish with a little bit of a top week. High, but what is this minute doing?
Learning so much here about being patient and waiting for higher time frame confirmation. Pretty sure it will help my win rate long term. It definitely will. 100%.
Who said that?
Luke.
Alright.
No problem, Luke. Keep with it. 30-minute close bullish here. Okay.
Too full.
Yeah, looks good.
Very nice.
I do want to wait for a bottom wick here.
Yeah. I just don't think we must be greedy with how big the bottom wick is.
Yeah.
Because I don't think it will mimic the other two 30-minute wicks.
But I wouldn't be comfortable with it just driving without a bottom wick there.
Nah, for sure. But that's what I'm saying. Like, we shouldn't be greedy with the bottom wick.
How
Like,
big
we
it's
shouldn't
gonna be.
Yeah, we shouldn't like expect a 40 pip bottom wick. Like
Yeah.
2000.
I'm thinking as long as it respects the previous 30-minute open, then that'd be nice.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking at as well. Ooh.
Respects 162.
Okay, guys. I'm gonna have a bar stop on the break of the highs here. Stops below the previous 15. Okay, pretty big stops, so going half risk. Stops are about 40 pips.
So what's the number of that 520 again?
520. Same as it was. 162, 520. Let's type this up very quickly. What the fuck?
Did you change the stop loss now? Is it the same stop loss?
I'm gonna use the previous 15.
Oh.
So just
45
anybody-
pips.
if anybody isn't watching but listening, the stop loss is going to be below the 15 at 162.063.
Yeah, perfect. 162.063.
Just as I put my TP in Narnia.
Okay, our first targets are to fill this range right here. 163, 150. And then we've got runner targets at 164, 350, 330. Is there any more possible opportunity to get into this trade? Well, we've got buy stops here. This is the only trade I've got so far for the day. No trades for London. GJ already played out. I don't think so. Okay, looks like we're about to get triggered in here. And I'm in. Stops below the previous 15 for 45 pips. Got our BE point at 162,860. Five-minute no top wick. 'If the current 15-minute goes bearish, good idea to manage risk. I think that is a very good idea. Yeah, looks like we may have to manage risk here.
Next 15 is gonna drive this thing. Watch.
Tapping into the support level, so let's see what happens. Five-minute looks like it's going to close very bearish.
But I think as long as we respect that 162, 127, we should be fine.
162, 127. Ooh.
What do you think?
I think I'm gonna close. I'm gonna close 50% right here. Oh, your 5 minutes got no bottom wick, but we've closed below that level that I was looking at right there on this 5 minutes. So I'm gonna close 50% right here. At negative 35 pips. Keep in mind we went in with half risk here. Okay. I'm still in here. Just. That looks like stops are gonna get hit. You know what, we did what we needed to. We waited for that bullish 30-minute candle closure. So if the trade doesn't play out, is what it is.
But
We
you
went
still
with... I'm still in. It was like... It was pretty much on my stop. I had my
And
stop
you've
at
got-
162,60 on my broker.
And you've still got 25% running technically because you only went in half risk.
Yeah, you could say that.
Okay.
So even a full stop here today is like equivalent to 20 pips on a normal day. It's not too bad. Sandwich pattern. What?
I was just sort of asking, what the hell is a sandwich pattern? I personally like the T-Rex fighting a dinosaur pattern.
I don't know if anybody's in still, but it only broke that previous 15-minute low by a pip. Or a pip and a half. I always give my stop loss 2 or 3 pips.
Steve is asking if it re-breaks a high, you're gonna re-add some of the position or re-enter.
Nah, not today.
Okay.
I don't like the look of GJ at the moment. If we can get this 50% back into profit, that'll be cool, but other than that, yeah, I'm gonna call it no more trades, no more taking trades here. So let's just see what happens. I'm not saying it's a bad idea. You can see right now we are still respecting previous 30-minute lows at least. We are respecting this support formed here. So if this candle were to come back up and break its own high, nothing wrong with having entries up there. Cool, here we go. Pushing, pushing. When I call it, do I look for trades later on or just close it off until the next day? I do trade New York once in a while when there's opportunity, when there's a lot of volume, but not today. It's beginning of the third quarter, beginning of the new month. As you can see, there's not too much volume right now in gold. So I'm not expecting too much later today. I'd rather just chill for today. Come back when we do have that opportunity in New York.
Well then, if you want to send a chart to the Discord, what you do is you go on TradingView, you go take a snapshot, the top right of the screen, and you download the image, and then you just paste it to the community charts, and then it'll come up there. Just like you would basically send a screenshot from your phone to it.
Yeah, this camera button here at the top right, save chart image.
And if you do send charts to the community charts, just make sure that you've detailed out your idea, what you're looking to do, where price is currently at, and why you're looking to take the trade, just so we can get an idea of how you're actually trading.
Yeah, anyone sending charts or trades to the Discord, I want you guys to put a little bit of detail to it. You know, let us know why you're taking that trade or what you're looking for. Obviously, it helps everybody else out, people who don't understand why you're taking those trades. Right now we're still looking good. As long as we close bullish on this 30 minutes, I'm happy. In fact, as long as we close respecting the support here at 162.240. What's up, Sakir? I'm not fun, but I'm happy. As long as you're happy, man. Nah, I'm the same. I'm not fun, but I'm happy. Goldman, are you sure you're on the right channel?
Or maybe he's on one of the channels that only you can send messages to. So he's trying to send a message on general.
Yeah, maybe.
Uh,
So make
Goldman-
sure you're here on community charts. You might be here on general. I don't know how you don't have permission. Everyone has permission to use that channel.
GJ is honestly looking very, very nice on the 30, yeah?
Yeah, it's looking decent.
Uh,
buy or sell. Exclamation mark buy or sell in the chat.
Bro, have you Oak seen the new Thor movie?
Thor, oh my word, it's terrible. I hated it.
The two screaming goats fucking killed me. Connor,
Oh yeah. Oh no,
bro,
it's ridiculous.
it's so dumb. It's fucking stupid. But those two goats, the whole fucking time, screaming. Ah, it killed me so much, Connor. I wish you. Ugh. It's so dumb, bro. I don't know why they fucking would make a movie like that. Not a Marvel movie or whatever.
Bro, that's the noise Justin makes when he gets slipped 90 pips.
Probably.
Not too much movement right now. Hopefully on the new hourly candle we see some volume. Looks like we will close bullish here on the hourly. There's 2 minutes left. 30 minutes looking good. At least to retest this resistance up here at 162.860 where we'll go break even. Be nice if this 5 minute could close above resistance as well. Okay, we've closed here on the hourly, bullish. 30 minute looks good. So let's see if we get some volume here. Guys, I'm going to be right back. As we tap into this level, this resistance at 162.860, I'll be moving stops to break even. Just give me a minute. Keep in mind we've already managed risk here. We closed half in a little bit of a loss. Hi Connor, I know there are many EA volume indicators, but is there a website that shows? Look, everything you need is right here on the chart. I don't believe in indicators, and I believe that you can see when there's volume in the market, right? We had volume here pre-London. Right now, okay, there's not a whole lot of volume. Creating a bottom wick here on the 30 minutes. If we can come up and break these highs, we should see price tap back into this resistance right here. Our break even point.
Yeah, but Con, I think I'm gonna be off for the morning, shot for the stream.
Cool, Jared, no problem. Check you.
Thanks, check you tomorrow.
Cheers, man.
Bye.
Very low volume right now. Gold just looks horrible this morning. I probably won't be at the chart, but later in the day what I'd be looking for is the exact same things that I was looking at this morning. So close below 1658 later on in the day for pre-New York or New York session. That should be a nice selling opportunity there below 1658. $30 flipping bullish here. What's up?
I was just about to say 30 flipped. Well, technically hour flipped. I mean everything. Flipped. Can you hear the garden service for me?
No, I can't.
Okay.
I think the noise suppression on Discord is quite good.
Yeah, me too. It's just like they're not close to me just yet, so it's not loud. So yeah. So if we break this previous hour high, I'm gonna move my stop underneath the body.
Body?
So at 220.
Okay. Yeah, I think I will too. Because that's also basically your previous 15. So once we break the highs, I'm going to be moving my stop loss to below the previous 15-minute candle.
What does your number read?
I'll put it at 162,200.
No. I think this 15 needs to get done before we're gonna see any volume.
Yeah, I think so. If we get
If-
volume, yeah.
It's just, yeah.
We just need to break these highs. And we'll be fine.
I really think it's coming because, like, just the way it's setting up, it's like it needed something to slow it down before it carries on, type of thing.
Just catching its breath quick before it moves 200 pips. $45. 45-minute does look pretty nice. Yeah, that's tough. We flipped back bullish on this 30-minute, failed to break the highs, and now we're coming back down, creating new lows by the looks of things.
Yeah, which 15 is gonna tell us a story.
Jeez, look at this.
So the 15 pullback, holy shit. Like it just like pulled and then like stopped and now it's like coming back down. What? What is that, like 5 pips?
15, 13.
Yes. Yeah, but it's wind. Hey, Connor, you hear the wind outside?
Mm-mm. No, I don't.
Okay.
It's not too bad, yeah. Okay, looks like we're gonna close a weak bearish candle here on the 15 minute. So that's fine for now.
You see how the thing was, that thing was just doing funny shit before it closed, bro. Fuck, I hate looking at a candle in this last few seconds, bro. We saw the same thing. Watch us go touch 163. Are you ready, Connor? Put your helmet on. Safety belt on.
I'm ready. GJ just needs to get his
Okay,
ass
nice.
into gear. And we're
As I
gonna
said
touch
it-
163.
As I said, it just goes. Imagine some voodoo shit. $15 supported. Now it just needs to go. We're gonna go play some. We're gonna go to driving range in the week sometime.
Yeah, we must.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm hungry, bro. This trade must do its thing.
Imagine you sit here about entries until New York Open.
No, Connor, please don't do that.
Nah,
Don't
I would close out a break even before then.
say.
I give it until like 12 and then I'll give up.
Nah, it would never sit there, bro. Our stops are like 20 plus pips just away. You know, BE is right there. Something's gonna happen in this hour, 100%.
Yeah, I'm sure.
We're going. One of them are gonna get hit within this hour.
Stop loss of TP.
One of them. Or the close profit button when we hit BE. One of the two or three.
We broke previous 15-minute lows, but you can see there's not a lot of volume as we're breaking those lows. Your 30-minute, hourly, still both bullish. We're respecting the previous 30-minute candle low. So, even though the 15-minute close bearish, you know, overall we are still bullish here. We need to break out of this little box here.
I mean, if you look at the 15-minute, the bearish 15-minute closures became weaker and weaker and weaker as we're going up. So I don't see why we should pull back. I don't see why GJ would go down now.
We need to break above this resistance. Otherwise, we're
need
just
to-
in a range, basically.
Also, if we don't break it, we're gonna probably start forming a downward trend. So on a lower time frame.
Yeah.
The space looks so small for the amount of pips it is, bro. It's fucking crazy.
10-minute news on GBP.
What?
Oh yeah, we've got PMR for the pound
no.
just now. It's a yellow
That's
folder,
all.
shouldn't have too much of an effect.
What time is that?
10:30.
Oh shit, okay. Hopefully that's the volume we want, but hopefully it's just in the right way.
Yeah, maybe that's what price is waiting for you.
It probably is, bro. If that's the case, that we have news coming, Connor, are we going to our original stop loss, or are we staying where we are?
I'm gonna keep stops with it off for now. What's going on with this?
Gold looks so cock on a 30-minute. Wow.
Yeah, I didn't even notice this folder here. It's just a yellow folder. 1st of September.
Where did you see gold on a 30-minute?
It's chalked.
What the? That is retarded, bro. That is crazy. Yeah. Now GJ showing his volume down.
Yeah, it's not looking great.
News is probably going to push it up. It just needs to pull back before the news comes.
Let's see.
What is it? PMR?
Yeah, manufacturing PMI.
Mm.
Yeah, last time we had PMI push price down. Let's see, numbers came out good.
I mean, we still have 20 pips, so... Does it look like numbers are going to come out good again?
Yeah, they're looking at good numbers.
Is that good or bad for the pound?
They're looking at the same numbers from last time. Actual greater than forecast. Good for currency.
Why did we go down last time then?
I don't know, maybe it was just the... I don't know.
That's weird. Well, I guess we'll see what happens this time.
Maybe it was already priced in.
Yeah.
But I mean, I don't think it's going to have too much of an effect. Based off what price is doing now, price action, in theory, we should continue to move bullish today.
Okay. Yes. Looks like volume's gonna come play a bit though.
Yeah, well, we've got 5 minutes until news, so let's see.
It would be lovely if news comes out while we're above our entries.
Yeah. Yeah, if we can break these highs before news, then news might potentially just keep pushing us.
Come on, man. It's gonna give us volume in the right direction. That's all we want. Yeah, 5 minutes looking whack.
The 5 minute can close bullish.
That's what I was about to
Come
say. We
on.
gotta get it. Oh, no.
It hurt us.
So...
Fuck's
yeah,
sakes.
they're like, Zach.
Zach.
It was so close too. Did you see in the last second it went blue and then flipped? Oh,
Yeah.
I'm not sure heard us say something. I'm telling you now. Yeah, but if it at least now if it breaks highs, 5 minute highs, we can start seeing that graph. I shouldn't have said it.
Yeah, Nico.
Yeah.
Stop.
Yeah.
Keep jinxing it, yeah.
No, wow, look at what I said now and look what's happening. You see, I didn't jinx shit. Now they're listening again. Now they're being done outside now. Did you see that? But not Bitcoin. I saw this this guy doing crypto, bro, and he was like on 1 point. I don't know. He just said the value of the thing. I don't know if it's like fake or whatever, but he said it's 1.2 trillion for whatever the fuck. Yeah. And then when whatever came out or released or opened for that crypto, that thing dropped to zero.
Jeez, like zero, bud.
Zero. I tried to send you the video, but I lost it. I went out of RG by mistake.
Yeah, that's hectic.
Hey?
Crypto made just as many millionaires as it did people broke.
Yeah.
Probably made more people broke.
Yeah, I think it made it. No, I think it made the rich people richer, but then it broke them harder.
Yeah. Yeah, the guys who have the majority of their wealth in crypto are crying right now. But I mean, if it comes around like it has so many times before, you know, those guys will be right back where they were.
How many of them are still holding? That's the question.
I saw the guy who owns Binance. His like net worth was down like 90%.
Yes.
Something like that.
That's insane.
Still got a couple billion. Doing alright.
Oh, but fuck.
I think even if you are a multi-billionaire, to lose $1 billion must hurt. Must hurt.
Surely. Like, it's like, even if you have a few fucking billion, like I'm talking like 200-300, like that is still like a tick off of it, you know? Like one bill is still a big tick. Like it can't be nothing to them. I don't see that.
But I mean, when you are so wealthy and most of your money is tied up in stocks, like Elon, for instance, most of his money is in Tesla. So every time price fluctuates, so does your net worth.
And a lot of them just accept that, huh?
Yeah, I think you have to.
Yeah.
Small price to pay to have it all, eh?
No, but they probably have the best fucking people managing their shit too, so I mean...
Oh yeah, I'm sure.
The study is looking very sexy.
Very sexy.
Very sexy. Oh, it's looking even beautiful now.
Even beautiful. Yeah, we're about to break highs, yeah.
What do you mean, bro? She's gorgeous. We have already. That's because I'm speaking so nice to her now.
Got news in 1 minute. Hey. Making a noise.
Oh, fuck. News must come out and fucking good tab 165, bro. Yes.
175. Fuck 165.
And fuck OTPs, we must get slipped by like 500 pips, bro. Bro, this news
Bro,
is feeling like it's...
what GJ's been doing in the last 2 weeks, it's not even unlikely. Like to think it is a possibility.
Depends on what news. Ooh, yeah. What happened there? Oh, it made a weird break it. I'll see. Okay.
Okay, let's see the news here. I mean, if news comes out terrible for pound, we'll manage risk here. Otherwise, I'm gonna just let it run. So far, we're still pushing up.
Yeah, I just want to. It must just run up until BE, bro. Like we just need to. I just want to get into a free trade. Well, not free because we've taken a L, some of the L, but I mean, like, you know.
Okay, so bad numbers, but not terrible. Just under expected. Let's see. Are we gonna break this high?
Didn't we just break it? What is the hard 2030, 730?
Maybe right there.
That's the problem, right there. It's not doing anything. What you write? Oh, closed. I'm calling it.
Yeah, might be a good idea.
Oh, fuck it. Oh, yeah, I'll check you. I want to go make food.
Oh, well, no problem. Check you.
Sure.
What I will do at this point is I'm gonna move my stop loss. Let's see. Got a very small position running here. I'm gonna just move my stops below this 15-minute right here, putting stops at 162.200. You'll see on the 30-minute, that's basically that support right there as well, just below that support. You could put stops below the previous 30 as well, that could work too. In fact, I think that's going to be better. Stops below the previous candle. So I'm going to put my stops at 162.350. Breaking highs here. Looks like we're about to go break even. Nearly. less than 0.5% loss today. That's brilliant. Managed risk, well done. You know what, this 30-minute candle created a low, came back up, created a new high. So in theory, if we break this low, we shouldn't break this low if price wants to move up. So I'm going to put stops at break even. It's still below this current 30-minute candle. And let's see. So stops are at break even, risk-free trade right now. Keep in mind we did close partials in a loss. So still in with a very small position right now. So I closed half at negative 35 pips. If we can actually get to our break-even point, that's basically, it's going to be overall break-even for the day. So I'm thinking to just close out as we tap into that BE point. Call it a break-even day if we do. Alright, I haven't closed anything just yet. We're pushing up here. So far we have covered our loss from just now. Alright, I'm gonna close full right here. Just because we took partials off in a loss, I just want to recover that loss and call it a day. So 42 pips, closed out 42 pips, closed out half in a loss of 35 pips. So overall about 10 pips for the day. So call it a break-even day. But the trade's playing out here as planned. So if anyone's got runners here, you do have resistance at 163, 160. Then my final targets I was looking at 164, 340, 330. This hourly resistance to the left right here. But personally, I'm quite happy after being in drawdown like that to just call it a day, recoup my loss, and I'm happy. Yeah, these ranges are huge, so our stops are pretty big. But yeah, that's going to be it. No more trades for me. GJ looks good to continue moving up. I would wait for this 4-hour candle close before doing anything else. Just keep in mind, you know, to the left here, 4-hour is a bit messy. But on the hourly time frame, you've got clean traffic to the left. So if you can close above 163, 160, or even close above this hourly resistance, I would expect to see price continue to move up here. And gold for the rest of the day, like I say, you want to stay out of this area. I'd be keeping an eye on this level 1658 for sales below there, and buys, stay away from buys for now unless we break above 1685. I'm not interested in buys at all. Thanks, MotoZD. Alright guys, thank you so much for joining. Please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you haven't. The channel is nearly on 1,000 subs. Really appreciate you guys' support. Much love everybody. I'll see you tomorrow. Cheers.